Now, chapter number 12. Today we will be studying surface area. Now, what is surface area? Now, let's consider this cube. So, now when we say cube, each side of a cube is a perfect square. So, this is x, then this is as well x. This is x. So, the surface area is the area of each side of the cube. Now, if you consider if this is the cuboid, here of this box, this is the one portion, this is the another 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has a 6 surfaces. So, the total of all these 6 surfaces is the surface area of this box. So, in similar manner, if we see this is my cube. So, my surface area of cube, is equal to 6 into side square. So, if my side is x, then it will be 6 into x square. Now, suppose to be if I have a cuboid. In that case, if this is the A, B, C and this is top D, then I have P, Q, R and S. So, area of a cuboid, in this case, area of cuboid is equal to area of this rectangle ABCD, area of ABCD plus area of BRSC, the base BRSC plus then area of PQRS, then APBR plus DCSQ. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the top one PADQ. So the surface area of this cuboid is the sum of the area of each surface of this cuboid. Now let's look at this example. What they say, how much sheet metal is required to make a closed rectangular box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1.2 meter and height 1.3 meter. So my length of my box is 1.5 meter. This is my length. Breadth, what they say, 1.2 meters. And my height of the box is 1.3 meters. So this way the box will look alike. Yeah. Now we need to understand one thing. This area and this area of the box is identical. The opposite surfaces, you can say, of any cuboid or cube are identical. In case of cube, all surfaces are identical. In case of cuboid, the opposite surfaces are identical. So, the surface area, so if I say the surface area, this is length, this is breadth and this is height, equals to 2 into Now this area is a length into breadth plus, so my this area is a length into breadth, the bottom one, length into breadth. So I said twice it comes, so I write a 2 here. Now plus opposite to opposite sides, so I say 2 into length into breadth. So height into breadth, h into breadth. So this area, this is height and this is breadth. This is again the rectangle. And this one and this one are identical. We have covered the bottom and top. Here we cover the bottom and top, length and breadth. Now the front and the back. So it comes out to be 2 into, the front is length into height. Length into height. Now if I use the associative property and I take 2 as a common factor out, so my equation, it will look like 2 outside, length into breadth plus height into breadth plus length into height. Yep. So now 2 inside the bracket, length into breadth. How much is my length? Length is 1.5 meters into breadth is 1.2 meters plus how much is the height? Height is 1.3 meters. My breadth is 1.2 meters plus my length is again 1.5 meters into height is 1.3 meters. So now 2 into 12 5s are 60, 6 12 1s are 6, 12 1s are 12 and plus 6 18. So it comes out to be 1.8. 12 5s are 60, 6 12 1s are 12, 18, 1 and 2, 1.8. Yeah, plus then 12 3s are 36, 3 12 1s are 3, 12 1s are 12 plus 3 5 15, 1 and 2 1.56. And then plus 13 5s are 65, 6 13 1s are 13, so 1.95. So ultimately it comes out to be 2 inside the bracket, 5 6 0, 5 plus 6 11, 9 plus 1 10, 15 plus 8 23, 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 5.31. So it comes out to be 2 6 10. So 10.62. Now the unit of measure was a meter. So this is a square meters. So in total we need 10.62 square meter metal sheet to make a closed box of this size. Now let's look at another example. One side of cubic box is 0.4 meters. How much will it cost to paint the outer surface of the box at the rate of 50 rupees per square meter? Now, so this is my cube. The one thing about cube is its all sides are equal. So my surface area of cube is equal to 6 into side square So 6 into 0.4 meters square. So that comes out to be 6 into 4 4s are 16, 1 and 2, so 0.16. So now 16 6 are 96. So 2.96 meters square meters is my area of a cube. So now if we consider what we need to find out, 50 rupees of 1 square meter. Yeah. So we need to find out how much will be for the 0.96 meter. So cost of painting. So what they say, how much will it cost? So cost of painting equals to surface area into rate of painting. So surface area is 0.96. Rate of painting is 50 rupees. So into 50. So 5 6 are 30. 3 5 9s are 45 plus 3 48 and then 50 0 1 2 2. So the cost of painting will be 48 rupees. So here what we did, the first stage is to find the surface area of the cube, and the second is to find the cost. The cost given us for the 1 square meter, a single unit. So we need to find how much will be for the number of units the surface area of the cube is. So here I have multiplied the rate 50 rupees with the surface area 0.96 square meter. Now let's solve the practice set 47. The question 1 is pretty easy. Find total surface area of the cubes having the following side. So these are the 5 sub questions. So what we need to find, if the side of the cube is 3 centimeter, we need to find the surface area. So our formula is surface area equals to 6 into side square. So 6 into 3 square, so 6 into 9, 9 6 are 54 square centimeter is the first one. The second one, again 6 into 5 square, 6 into 25, 25 6 are 150, so this is square centimeter. Now the third one is 7.6 into 7.2 square. So 6 into, what I have done, I have already done the multiplication over here to save the time and duration of the video. So it comes out to be 51.84 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 8s are 48 plus 2 50, 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11, 6 1s are 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31, 1 2 1 2. So it comes out to be 311.04. So now the third one is equal to 6 into 6.8 square. So 6 into 6.8 square comes out to be 46.24. 6 4s are 24, 2 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14, 6 6s are 36 plus 1 37, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, 1 2, so 257.44. Here it's a square meter, here it's a square meter, and the last one is 6 into 5.5 square, so 6 into 30.25 So 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. So and then 6 3s are 18. So it comes out to be 181 square meters. So now we have used the same formula. Surface area of a cube equals to 6 into side square. And the similar formula I solved all of these 5 questions. The question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cuboid of a length, breadth and height as given below. There are total 4 questions. I am solving 2 and I am leaving 2 for you guys to solve. Ideally what you guys should be doing, you pause the video once I put the questions, then you solve them, and then once you complete solving, then you play the video again and then check your answers, and not only answer, the steps which I am using and you are using are same or not. So now let's start solving this one first. The surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into length into breadth plus length into breadth, then length into height plus breadth into height. Yeah. See, in all the cuboid is having 6 surfaces. The opposite surfaces are identical in terms of the area. So I am multiplying 2 and then every surface is appearing twice. So I am multiplying it by 2. So length into breadth is equal to 12 into 10 plus length into height. So 12 into 5 plus breadth into height. So 10 into 5. So the total, the calculation next step is 12 into 10, 120 plus 60 plus 50. That comes out to be 120 plus 60, 180 plus 15, 230. So 230 into 2, which comes out to be 460 square. The unit is centimeter. So square centimeter for the first one. Now for the second one, I solve here itself. Again my formula is same. Area equals to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. So here 2 into 5 into 3.5 plus 5 into 1.4 plus 3.5 into 1.4. So here 2 into 5 5s are 25, 2 17.5 plus 7.0 plus 7 4.9. So it comes out to be 2 into 7.5. So here the point comes out to be 0. Then my second decimal place is 5 plus 9, 14. So here it comes 1. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19 plus 1, 290. 29.4. So it comes out to be 0.8, 2 9s are 18, 58.8, and this is square centimeters. Now the question 3, a matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 1.5 centimeter in height. Its outer side is to be covered exactly with a craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? So we need to find out the total area of the paper to which we need to cover this matchbox. Yeah, so we need to understand. See, right now we are doing one after the another problem of the same lesson, so it's not difficult for you to understand what is to be found out. But in exam this won't happen, so you need to understand what is to be find out. We need to find the surface area of the matchbox as the length given, breadth given, and the height is given. And surface area, so that much area of paper will require to cover the matchbox. So now a surface area of cuboid equals to 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. Yeah. So now 2 into my length is 4 centimeter. So 4 breadth 2.5 centimeter plus my length is 4 centimeter. My breadth is 1.5 centimeter. And then my breadth is 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. So next step, 2 into 25 fours are 100. So I write 100. 1 decimal place, so it's a 10.0. 15 fours are 60. 1 decimal place, 60. 15 fives are 75. 7, 15 twos are 30, plus 7, 37, 1 and 2, so 3.7. Yeah, so now 2 into 0.75, as there is a 0 on the decimal places. 3 plus 9, 6, 9, plus 0, 9 and 1. So 19.75 centimeter into 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 decimal places. So 39.50 square centimeter is the size of the paper which is required. You need to write the answer in a words as well. So the craft papers, the size of craft paper required is 39.5 square centimeter. So the question 4, what it says, that open box, you need to understand one thing. Certain things you need to highlight while reading the problem itself. What they say, open box. It's not a cuboid. It's not a closed box. It's an open box of length 1.5 meter, length, breadth 1 meter, and height 1 meter is to be made for use on trolley for carrying a garden waste. For how much sheet metal will required to make this box? So first we need to find how much the sheet metal required to make this box. The second, what they say, the inside and outside. Yeah. So they are painting that box from inside and outside. So whatever the material or the surface area you find, that will be painted twice. So the inside as well as the outside. So surface of the box is to be painted with the rust proof paint. And then they have given the rate per. So now first step is to find, see, this will be my box look alike. But this top is open. So my length, this is my length. this is my breadth, and this is my height. Now the surface area will be, we use the same formula, 2 into length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height. Now in this particular, what we need to do, this is the length and this is the breadth. So we don't need, since the top portion is open, so this won't come twice. So what I am going to do here, I have considered it twice. So now I subtract once length into breadth. For this problem. So now, since I subtracted, so the one which was extra I subtracted. So my total surface area will be 2 into, my length is 1.5 meter into 1 meter plus length and height as well 1 meter, 1.5 into 1, breadth into height is 1 into 1, and then my square bracket closes here, minus length into breadth. How much is the length? 1.5 into 1. So here it comes out to be 2 into 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1 minus 1.5. Now here 2 into 1.5 plus 1.5, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 1.5. 2 4s are 8 minus 1.5 comes out to be 6.5 square meter. Is the size of the sheet I required. Now I need to paint it on the both sides. So the total area, to be painted is equal to 6.5 into 2, that is comes out to be 13 square meter. So now I need to find cost. So here I will solve the cost issue. So what they say, 150 square rupees, 150 per 1 square meter. So the cost comes out to be, cost equals to, how much is the area? 13. So 13 into 150, 15 3s are 45, 15 1s are 15 plus 4, 19. So 1950 will be the cost of paint to paint this box from inside and out. So total, see what I have done, I will re-explain this thing to you here. First, we need to understand the box is an open box. So the one surface is not there. Yeah. So we need to consider that. So for that, what I have done, I have written my standard formula where this surface is cuboid. Then that one, the surface which is not there, so I subtracted it once. Yeah. So this I opened. In fact, when I subtracted, that means I am opening it. Now I solved it 1.5, 1.51. So my total area, total size of sheet required is 6.5 square meter. Now the area to be painted is the inside and out. So it needs to be painted on the both the side. So I multiplied it by 2. So it comes out to be 13 square meter. Now to 13 square meter, I need to find the cost. How much is the cost? The cost is 150 rupees for 1 square meter. So I multiplied it by 13 and that comes out to be 1950. So you write it in a word. The cost how much will cost to paint the box? The cost to paint the box is the cost to paint the box is 1950 rupees. Yeah.